Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel Culinary Classics. Today I will teach you how to make too much amount from the القراقيش for Eid al-Adha's breakfast with only 1.25 kilos from the flour, and you can see soft from inside and crunchy from outside. And when you make it in the home, everyone will like it, adults and children. You can make it and eat it with a cup of tea. Now continue the video to see how we will make it after the intro break. Here I will show you the ingredients. I will need for 1.25 kilos of flour and 3 big spoons of the powdered milk and the sugar. Also for 2 big spoons of the sesame and 1 big spoon of semolina and 1 small spoon of the salt. And here I have ground fennel, and you can replace it with the ground anise or the ground cumin, or you can replace it also with the kahak smell. And here I have a spoon of baking powder and a pinch of vanilla. And here I have 2 cups of the ghee, and with the room temperature means I need 400 gram. Also for 300 ml of water, and I'm using warm water. And now I will tell you what we will make with the ingredients. Here I will add all the ingredients on the flour except the ghee, water, sugar and the semolina. I will add the other ingredients. I will stir them with the flour for a little time until they get mixed. Then I will tell you what we will make. If this is the first time for you to see my channel, don't forget to subscribe to it and like for the video. Also, if you have any difficulty while you finish the video, don't forget to write it in the comments and I will answer you in the same day. Here, after mixing the ingredients, I will take the semolina and the sugar and I will add them on the water. Then I will leave them behind me in the kitchen to get brew until I add the ghee on the flour and the other ingredients, and I will show you the result that I will get it after adding the ghee and stirring in the flour. And here I will leave this semolina mixture now behind me to get brew until I finish the step that I will show you now. And here I will take the ghee and I will add it on the flour and I will stir it. First I will stir with the spoon, then I will start completing with my hand to get the result that I will show it for you after I finish stirring now. And here I added all the amount of the ghee. The 2 cups mean the 400 gram. I will stir them first with the spoon, then I will complete with my hand, and I will show you the result that I will get it after I complete stirring. And here, after I complete stirring the ghee with the flour and the other ingredients, you can see the dough is not sticking. Now I'll show you how we'll complete making this dough. First I will take the semolina mixture that I make it and I will add the half and I will stir. Then I will add the half. And also, while you are making the dough in this step and you feel that you need the other amount of water, you can add, because the water depends on the type of flour you are using. And here you can see I have the dough and it's not sticking in my hand. Now I will leave it to get brew for 5 minutes until I prepare the things that I will work on it. Here I will start to shape it in the rectangle shape that I will need it. And in this step, before rolling it into times, if you want to add ajwa or malban, you can add. But I will not add anything. And here I will start to roll it 2 times, this first time and this the second time. And I will make it with my hand. Then I will start to cut it into pieces. And here I will start to cut it, and I will use the pizza cutter. If you want to use the knife, you can use, the both are easy. Now subscribe to my channel, because before Eid al-Adha with 2 days or 1 day, I will upload a video on how to make 3 different DIYs for Eid al-Adha gift. Now I will add them in a tray, in the baking tray, but I will leave behind them some spaces because I will leave them to get brew for 15 minutes also before entering it in the oven. And while you finish the video and you have any difficulty in baking or in the ingredients, you can write it in the comments and I will answer you. And if you have any recipe that you want me to upload it in the channel, you can write it in the comments. In the last video I uploaded, and I will see your comment and I will shoot a video for this recipe and I will upload it. And here you can see this the amount that 1.25 kilos of the flour make it. And now I will leave them to get brew for 15 minutes before I will enter them in the oven. And when I'm going to enter them in the oven, I will work in medium high. First I will open the oven from down till the karakish get ready and get some color from down. Then I will open the grill so the karakish will get color from up. Then I will come back after I take them out. And here I have the karakish is ready, but when the karakish get out of the oven, don't make it like this. First leave it in the trays to get some air for like 10 or 15 minutes. Then you can add them like this. And here you can see the karakish soft from inside and crunchy from outside. And this is the result. I have the karakish soft and crunchy from outside, and you can make it and eat it with a cup of tea. When you make it, everyone in the home will like it, adults and children. Now don't forget to try it, like for the video, subscribe to my channel, share the video for all your friends and family, write your comment. Bye, see you in the next video.